Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. June is National Soul Food Month, and what better way to celebrate than a hearty, soulful recipe? This month's cookbook highlight is I Heart Soul Food by Rosie Mayes. Our recipe is succotash. For your ingredients, you will need frozen lima beans, vegetable broth, thick cut bacon, fresh or frozen corn, red onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, seasoning salt, ground black pepper, red pepper flakes, and Roma tomatoes. Step 1. In a medium pot over high heat, bring the lima beans and vegetable broth to a boil. Boil the lima beans for about 10 minutes, then remove the beans from the broth and set them to the side. Be sure to reserve 1 cup of the broth. Step 2. Place a large sauté pan over medium heat and add the bacon. Fry the bacon until it's nice and crispy, then remove it from the pan. Step 3. In the same pan, add the corn and fry for about 5 minutes, then add the onion and bell peppers. Fry for about 2 more minutes, add the seasoning salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Stir the ingredients, then add in the lima beans and reserve 1 cup of vegetable broth. Step 4. Chop up the bacon that you cooked earlier and toss it into the pan. Cook for another 5 minutes, then add the tomatoes. Give everything a nice stir before serving. All that's left to do is enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the JPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.